Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we will tell you about Life Hack Android app that will make your life tasks simple and easier. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Life Hacks. Here is the app. Install this app. Let's read some more about this app. Fun hacks you wish you knew earlier. With 100 new hacks every week. What's new? Add a logo competition. Open up to a world of infinite hacks to reduce frustration in everyday life tasks. Realizing that these simple steps can bring a smile and make dull jobs interesting. The features of the current app are save images as favorite, receive notification of various life hacks. The app opens your favorites when not connected to internet, share images from both notification and individual categories, download download images to gallery in Breeze, updated on 9th October 2018, 500,000 plus downloads. App is installed now, open it. Open the app, sign in or click not now, skip sign in or sign in. Tutorial. Welcome to Life Hack. Find everyday tips and hacks to make your life easier. Scroll down and read these one at a time. With over 10 different categories, double tap these cards to save them to your favorites. Save them to gallery or share them with your friends. Tap on the three dots below and read further about certain life hacks in the view source option. Sign in with Google to submit life hacks. Tap the button below to start reading. Click Let's Go. Everyday tips. Shortcut to figure out a 20% tip. Another tip. Another everyday tip. Sick of bugs in your room at night? Use a warm white LED bulb. Hate the nasty vacuum smell. View source. Open in browser. Here is the full article. You can read the full here. Click got it. It's the full article about vacuum cleaning smell. Share it, download or favorite it. Here are the different categories: everyday tips, food, funny, general, health, life tips, money saver, technology, relationship, nature, settings. Here you can do the settings for this app. Free flow, toolbar lock, vibrate on like. Search the topic from here. Click let's search and search the topic you want. So you see how this app helps you to know about the life hacks and give everyday tips. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.